Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing. This is 4.1 hectares. Upat ka hektarya at 250 pesos per square meter. Tax declaration, dili pa siya titulado. Pero pwede siya matitulo. Approximately 2 kilometers from National Highway. 2.5 2 hours from Cebu City. O 2 hours from Midillion Sonto Open Airport, and less than an hour from the Bugo City proper. So mao na status, guys. Then there is a line of water, na linya sa tubig. Then along concrete road. So nindot ni kay upat man ni ka hektarya. So upat man ni ka hektarya ba dito ni apil pa na dito. Oh, okay. Kanang kuan. The lugot or the creek. Man ni gitawag og sangi, guys, kanang buhatan nimo og mga balay. Residential din farming. So fresh air. Nindot kaya gyud. Presko nga hangin, overlooking ang imong madungog ang tuktugaok sa manok sa silingan. So this is ideal for kanang mga manukan, guys. Kanang manukan bang para iktatari. Kanang gitawag lag cockfighting. So nindot kayo. Pero this is also ideal for a mountain resort development, guys. So very nice siya kayo, no? Kaya nag slightly ra gyud ang iyang sloping, guys. Pero nindota gyud. So very nice. So I think it's still part of the property, no? Kay 4 hectares magud ni, guys. So mas okay siya kay kuan, oh. Very nice yun, no? Mura gi-attempt nila og subdivision, guys. Pero takay baw god kung kuan, since this is tax declaration, di man po na mayano ni mo subdivide ning mga tax declaration ron, at least title, no? Pero depende ra gyapon. There are many ways naman po. Pong pang video we find ways. So wala siya. So nindot kayo ba ang location in reality lang. See? So I repeat, this is 4.1 hectares at 250 pesos per square meter. So this is ideal for cattle farming. I don't know lang sa poultry, no, pero poultry, backyard poultry basin. Pero kung piggery, backyard piggery. I don't know kung commercial piggery, industrial. So I'm not sure. Ma-apply lang tag permit if in case. So this is really ideal for kuan lang kanang residential and farming development. Mao gyud ni siya. The best thing to do ani nga property. So very nice. This is 4.1 hectares. Tax declaration at 250 pesos per square meter. A few minutes drive from National Highway. Let's say 30 to 40 minutes drive from Bugo City, Cebu. Then 1 hour drive from Medellin, Cebu airport, soon to open airport. Then White Sand Beaches and Medellin and San Remigio. So daghan ang nindot diri guys, honestly lang. Correction ha, this is not part of Tabugon, sorry, this is part of San Remigio. San Remigio, Cebu. So iklaro na tong address guys ha. The location here is Barangay Sabah, San Remigio, Cebu. So see, okay, ato lagi pong utrohon guys. Ihangat ko gamay. So the property here 4.1 hectares or 41,000 square meters at 250 pesos per square meter, located here in Barangay Sabah, San Remigio, Cebu, along Concrete Road. Concrete road and water line is existing, electricity also available. So it's a northern part of Cebu province. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. We have a website www.propertyph.net. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.